Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the timer app. This is where all timers live. First, tap a preset like 5 min or 1 hour to save time, and if you need a specific duration, choose custom. Use the digital crown to scroll minutes and seconds smoothly because precise input avoids restarting. Once set, tap Start. Doing this immediately gets the countdown going while preserving battery by keeping the screen off when not needed. Now manage the active countdown. Tap pause or resume as tasks change, or cancel if you no longer need it. For hands-free setup, press and hold the digital crown and say, "Set a 10-minute timer," because Siri creates timers faster and without touching the screen. Once you have several, use your iPhone to label or edit them to avoid confusion. These steps let you juggle tasks and keep precise timing across routines and workouts. To wrap up, when the alarm rings, tap dismiss or repeat to restart the same duration. If you don't hear alerts, make sure silent mode and do not disturb are off and check volume, because the watch obeys these system settings. If problems persist, restart your Apple Watch. Once done, retest a short timer. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to resolve software-level issues that prevent timers from firing consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.